Okay, so today we're going to tackle comics again, markers. If you want to color, you can buy Copic marker. They do Copic marker out Sheridan a lot as well, but most of it's gone digital. So they don't do art a whole lot, but you could, if the program does ask for sketchbook, you could give them comic book sketches like this. Just stick them in the sketchbook, and that's what I like to do. I like to draw loose like this. I learned to draw loose ever since I was in college. So they do a lot of sketching as well on digital, but when I was in school, we didn't have digital. So it must have came sometime after I left and went into art school. So sometimes they don't have feet. It's a running pose. So you have to know where the structure is. So if you're doing it freehand, you're gonna have a hard time. And a lot of people say this ain't the right way to do it, but depends who you're learning from. So I'll just kind of, all with one marker right now, because it's got a good point on it. So I might try to get the shading in here. So I don't have a printout on me in front of me, where I would color it with pencil crayons. It's the cheapest one for me to color things in, but I would have to have the original picture so I know where the color will go. Sometimes I just will do this sketch on the computer and then come to the drawing table and color it. So this needs to be more stable so I could do this properly. So I'll do that and show you how it looks like. This is how I do my hatching, where I need to do shading, little marks like this. If you want to do something a little bit more solid, you could do that. I really need to buy a more skinny brush to get the mouth and the eyes. Because this one's a really bit too big, and this one's even the same size. So I don't have like a really skinny brush, but I really enjoy this kind of inking process. If you have like a proper ink supplies, maybe you could draw it with the ink and a brush. Also quite fun. So this kind of goes back and forth. So I don't want to do that and make a mistake. Okay, so I filled in the hands the best I can. Missed a few spots here. This brush ain't very thin, but not thin enough for the face, but some shadows, a little bit bigger marker might be okay. Hatching, kind of cross hatching. You then just sign it in the same spot, even. Wolverine. You can buy official comic book paper, which I might try next year, but it costs a fair lot, so I don't think I'm going to do that. Just buy some kind of big sketchbook, and you can use the paper from that. Just tear it out, and then stick the paper into a different sketchbook or something if you need to show work in a sketchbook for your school. So this is how I enjoy drawing things pretty loosely. Thanks for watching. Coloring is a whole nother process, but where you could end up spending a lot more money on art supplies. Thanks for watching.